Hello, class. The problem I found online today, they looking for X. They gave you some things here. They gave you a 45. They gave you 100. And hey, they want you to solve for X. Okay. What I did is I put the angle rules up above because we're going to use a couple of them. But then on the right-hand side, I put another one. It's called the alternative interior angles, the Z-test. Okay. So what you're looking for here is, can you form a Z? Okay, let me just change this from red to yellow. Okay, so we're going to go to yellow. Okay, let's see if I can form this Z. Here's a Z right there. Okay, so now if you look at this, okay, they gave you this one. See, it's right here. Okay, so they gave you this. This is what we're doing. Okay, so if that's 45, okay, that means that get back to red, that this is 45 also. Okay, you see that? That's what the Z rule tells you. Okay, so that's called the alternative interior Z. And that's what we're going to use. So we got one of them solved. Now we know that the straight line rule right up above here, see it up here? That this here, the straight line is 180. So they gave us 100, so that means this one's 80, okay? So, hey, we're getting a lot of this solved already, okay? So now we know that the total triangle, which is right here, that's also 180. So we got two of them now. Let's see. We got an 80. We got a 45. That means that's a 5. 125. The whole thing is 180. So we do 125. Now we got a 5 here. And we got a 5. So that means this angle is 55. 55. Look at that. We're solving for this whole triangle. Huh? Kind of good. So now, let's see. If this line here, right here, if that's 180, so we got 180 minus the 55. What's that tell us? This is 125. So that means X equals 125. Square that off so the teacher knows, hey, my answer is 125. X equals 125. And that was all there was to it, okay? So we solved this relatively easy, okay? Just by knowing a few of these rules above, okay? Now the new one I threw in was the Z-test rule, okay? You're going to see this a lot of times, okay, on two parallel lines. Now, this line here has to be parallel with this line for that to work, okay? They got to be parallel lines, which they are, okay? They're two parallel lines. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, because the more people that subscribe, the more students that will see this, and the more students that see it, they will get better grades, and that's what this is all about, better grades for students. Thank you very much. Have a great day now. Take care. Bye-bye.